How to download Zangi on Android. Hi guys, it's Mikran. Today I am going to guide you how to download Zangi on Android. Downloading Zangi on Android is quite easy, so without any delay, let's start the video. Open Google Play Store. On your Android device, open the Google Play Store app. Search for Zangi. In the search bar, type Zangi and hit the search button or enter. Select Zangi Messenger. From the search result, find the app titled Zangi Messenger or something similar and tap on it. Make sure your internet is stable. Install the app. Tap on the install button to download and install the app on your device. Zangi is a secure messaging app that allows users to make free voice and video call and send instant messages and share media files. Open Zangi. Once the installation is complete, tap on open to launch the app. And here you go, it's done. That's how you can download Zangi on Android. If you liked our video, press the thumbs up and share button. If you have any question, comment down below and don't forget to subscribe the channel for more tutorials.